Before black garlic reaches factories, it begins here, rooted in fertile soil under careful farming supervision.
Balanced irrigation nurtures garlic chemistry, preparing natural sugars required for authentic black garlic fermentation. Advanced analytics ensure garlic fields meet strict specifications demanded by industrial black garlic fermentation facilities.
From farm fields to factories, this garlic begins its transformation journey into prized black garlic.
Only flawless garlic bulbs qualify for transformation into the deep, complex delicacy known as black garlic. Measured harvest volumes allow factories to schedule precise fermentation cycles for large-scale black garlic production.
These transport convoys bridge agriculture and industry, carrying garlic toward its black garlic transformation.
Stay in the right lane for the next exit. Your delivery window is prioritized.
Paperwork confirmed for truck 42.
All right, driver, pull forward slowly and wait for guidance.
Documented and inspected, this garlic is officially accepted for premium black garlic fermentation processing.
Inside reception halls, fresh garlic begins its controlled journey toward premium fermented black garlic transformation.
Sample 4B shows optimal density.
Confirmed. The analyzer shows no contamination. It's suitable for aging.
Factory regrading guarantees consistent fermentation performance across every chamber, producing premium black garlic.
Protective skins shield cloves, preserving moisture balance required for successful black garlic fermentation.
Loaded and tracked, each batch enters fermentation systems destined to produce distinctive black garlic profiles. Within sealed chambers, fresh garlic begins its slow metamorphosis into nutrient-dense, flavor-rich black garlic.
In early days, subtle biochemical shifts begin steering garlic toward its black garlic destiny. Color evolution signals fermentation progress as garlic approaches its final black garlic state.
After weeks of precision fermentation, fresh garlic emerges reborn as rich, complex black garlic.
Separated cloves prepare black garlic for diverse culinary and nutraceutical product applications.
Texture analysis ensures every batch of black garlic meets premium softness standards.
Final grading classifies black garlic quality tiers for global culinary and nutraceutical markets. Blending transforms fermented cloves into versatile black garlic paste for global culinary manufacturing.
Grinding transforms fermented cloves into shelf-stable black garlic powder for seasoning applications.
Sachet packaging makes black garlic accessible for travel, food service, and retail sampling. From paste to supplements, black garlic evolves into a powerhouse of diversified products. Sealed securely, black garlic products gain shelf stability for long-distance global distribution.
Coating guarantees consumers receive fresh, safely processed black garlic products. Bulk carton packing prepares black garlic inventory for warehouse storage and export. Branded and packaged, black garlic stands ready for supermarket shelves worldwide. Stored under precision climate control, black garlic paste retains quality before global market distribution.
Straps are secured. Shock absorbers look good. All right, all clear back here. Send the next one in.
By sea routes, black garlic paste travels thousands of miles toward international consumers.
Digital commerce accelerates black garlic paste delivery directly to global doorsteps.
The aroma is deep and sweet, very promising.
Excellent. Mark it approved and move it to the walk-in.
From farms to tables, black garlic paste completes its extraordinary global journey.